If you are experiencing problems with your Windows Subsystem for Linux not functioning correctly, here is a straightforward solution. Begin by opening the Windows search bar and typing Windows Features. Select the option that says Turn Windows Features on or off. In the list that appears, scroll down until you locate Windows Subsystem for Linux. Ensure that this option is checked. Once you have selected it, click on OK. The system will then take some time to search for and apply the necessary files to enable WSL. Following this process should resolve the issue and allow you to use WSL successfully. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.